Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang kepada kalian semua. Hari ini saya akan menceritakan sebuah kisah tentang daerah di bagian Sumatera Barat. Once upon a time, have someone in the banks of river. Is called Mr. Lebay. Mr. Lebay is wishy-washy. He cannot mind indecisive in the right time. One day, he came inviting from the neighboring village. They are the rich people. They make Mr. Lebay so confused. He cannot choose anyone. Though all of the party have another problem. Mr. Lebay smiled. If he go to the upstream reports party, he will get to move far ahead. But the rumors say reason is not very good. If he go to the downstream, he will get one move all ahead. Just one. But that is very much. Times come. Mr. Lebay can notice the size. Mr. Lebay arrived on the river with the boat. It's really very and he just picked up upstream. He got the canal and he changed his mind and a journey. He's got the downstream and he's buying a house. But he's so expensive. There was someone who was inside. He changed his mind because someone said he will follow the orders of thing. They so confused. He came up the friend guest house. He's going downstream for a long time. And when it's already, he get this. Where the food? The party is over. Everyone guesses going home. He just stand with a hammer. He knows his power. But he tried to be positive. He tried to going back home and thinking how he can fulfill his stomach. He take the fishing rod. This is mine. I will call the big fish. It will fulfill me for this night. And he doesn't give up. He have a bunch of rice for the lunch. And he have a dog. He go to the hunt. It's not give up. He never give up. I will fulfill my stomach. And for bullets, it wait be no longer. Someone pulled the fishing rod. And too heavy for him. So he pulls the river. He make a fast sizing right now. He's so happy because has a big fish in there, a scrappy. But it's unlucky. It's not a hole. He release the fish is dead. He released it. He's so sad in the face. But he trying to wash it again. After all, I still have a lunch. They bring the rice. But when you start somewhere with hesitation, you will get failure. Because you too long wait for the dog from home. The dog ate all his lunch. Last one, with a so hungry. Sometimes you blame people about your fault. You blame them all because you are frail. You never think the only one who was blamed is you. Because you're the only one who is choosing. You will be a winner or be a challenger. No one is loser. We need to try harder. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nomor urut 20.